me? Can you focus on?
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a hair tutorial showing how I install clip-ins using hair from a company called CURLSQUEEN. So I have never tried this hair before. I actually ordered it a few days ago and it got here super fast, and I actually have not even opened it, so I am unboxing it for the first time with you guys. So it came in this nice silky gold bag. It's Brazilian virgin hair that lasts at least 6 months, but I'm pretty sure if you take care of it, it will last longer than that. So the first thing that I see here is some thread and these cute clips. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I can definitely see myself wearing these in my hair. The longest I got is 20 inches. And this is light Yaki silk press, which is really good because my hair gets very straight. So here's what it looks like in the bag. I'm gonna open it. So here is a clip. It's probably if one of them breaks off, which is really nice. And here is what the hair looks like. So it's not super straight, but you can definitely straighten it. It is so thick, you guys. Like, it feels like so much hair, which is so awesome. It is tied together by 2 zip ties. I do not have some scissors, so I will be right back. Okay, so I got the zip ties off and I am unraveling the hair. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are smaller ones for the front. 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's really good. It's just all different sizes. These have 2 clips. These have 3. And what you really want to do is, the smaller it is, put those at the nape of your neck and then up here. And then the bigger ones, you put them around the perimeter of your head. And I'm just gonna get started. The first thing that you're gonna do is part your hair in the back. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Trust me, literally nobody is going to see it. And I'm gonna take the clip in with the 2 clips. Just open those up. And I'm gonna brush it out just a little bit because I got it a little tangled. And then I'm just going to dig those clips in and snap. Oh my gosh, I look like Rapunzel already. You're just gonna keep going until you're all the way at the top, and so I'm not gonna talk during this part. I'm just gonna zoom right through it. So some people use a comb to part their hair. Really, you can use your fingers the way that I'm doing as well. It really doesn't matter. But just make sure you're doing very small sections and you'll be good. The key is to make sure you're stopping right here and you're still leaving some hair out in the front to give it that very nice and natural look. So what I really wanted to show you guys is the styling process and how versatile clip-ins are. And so I'm just gonna go through 5 different styles you can do. The first being a middle part. So what I'm gonna do is let my hair down, and if I need any more clip-ins in the front, then I'm gonna add the ones with just the 2 clips. Okay, so here is what our middle part looks like. This is where it stops. I literally love it. They look so natural. They just blend right in my hair, and I did not even have to straighten them, so that's awesome. I keep saying that. That's awesome. Ew. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you is a side part. What I'll do is just take out the 2 that I put over here and make a side part over here. And what you can do is add that 2 piece in here just to make it look a little fuller. So create a part in the middle of your head. I am going to actually curl this piece right here. And then we have our side part. Okay. So if you are like me, you want to do the most and you want to do every single hairstyle there is, and you just can't stick to one. And so now I'm going to show you guys how to do a half up, half down with these clip-ins. So take out the one that you literally just curled and push everything to the back. I do have another 2-piece right here, so I'm going to take that out as well. And you just literally gather your hair together and make sure you put your edges on top of the clips so nothing shows. And as you can see, there are no clips showing. And you just get your little ponytail holder. And then now we're Ariana Grande. So for all my girls who love to work out, you might want to do a high pony. And so here is the next style. Ow. The good thing is, since you put those clip-ins in the back so high up, the back of the clip-ins won't be shown either. And then you have your high pony. So like I said, since I have short hair, especially in the back, you can kind of see some of it hanging down, but usually I'll just take a bobby pin, but since they sent me these cute clips, I'm just gonna take this one right here. Oh, it's two of them. Awesome. Oh my gosh, is awesome like my favorite word now? And I'm gonna take those short pieces and just pin them up into the pony. And I will show you guys what that looks like. Yes! Then last but not least, who does not love a high bun? Since we are already in that pony, you just simply wrap your hair around. Take one of those clips that you have and pin it. And usually with my buns, usually I'll keep them like this, or sometimes I will bring some hair down to do a cute bang. And then bring those little tails out and tuck them. And then you have your cute high bun. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to CURLSQUEEN who sent me this hair. I definitely appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Ladies, go get this hair. It's definitely worth it. All of the information will be in the comments, in the description box below. But leave a comment, like, subscribe, whatever. And thank you so much and have a good night.